In this video, you will follow the steps to install Forcepoint Data Loss Prevention version 10. Click Install to start the setup. Click Next to proceed. At the destination folder, keep the default installation directory, and then click Next. Configure server access. Keep the default 192.168.123.155 as the IP address. Click Next. Keep FP Cert Administrator as the local administrator. Click Next. At the fingerprinting database window, accept the default directory. Click Next. At the installation confirmation window, verify that the date and time is correct, then click Install. Accept the agent software warning. Forcepoint DLP is now being installed. Click Finish to complete the installation. The custom installation window displays and shows that Forcepoint DLP is installed successfully. Click Close to close the Forcepoint Security Setup window. Select the checkbox to keep the installation files. Click Yes to exit the installation.